Welcome back, everyone, to another delicious episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. Today, we're making smoked spatchcocked turkey on the Traeger. Oh, look at how beautiful this turkey came out and so delicious. Let me show you how we got here. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out the back. As you see, I scored on each side. I used some kitchen shears, not the best shears. You can use a knife, it's kind of tricky, but buy you some poultry shears. If you can, it'll make it a lot easier and cleaner cut too. So remove that and put it into a pan. I'm gonna use that to make our stock. All right, next thing you wanna do is you're gonna wanna kind of cut into this back like this. And so you can split it open. This is gonna allow you to lay the turkey flat. So flip it over, like so, and then you're going to want to press down on that back, maybe pull it, up, and you just want to flatten it. So now that it's flat, let's go ahead and pat it dry, and then we're going to season this bad boy. Okay, so for my rub today, I'm going to use, this is about 3/4 cups of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to use about 3/4 cups of my seasoning that I blended up myself, but use your favorite turkey seasoning. And then we're gonna get this in here. We're gonna stir it together, get it all well combined, and then we're gonna rub the turkey with this mixture here. This is just, like I said, mayonnaise and the seasoning. Get it well mixed, and then we'll rub the turkey. All right, so we're gonna season the inside of the turkey first, because when we put it into our smoker, you're going to want it to be breast side up. So go ahead and start with the inside. Get that mixture all the way through inside the meat. It's gonna make it so juicy and delicious. All right, now that we got the inside well rubbed with that mixture, flip it over, and now we'll do the skin side of the turkey. So now spread that mixture all over the skin side of the turkey, armpit, every part of this turkey. Don't leave any part of this turkey uncovered. And then we're also going to get inside the turkey. I'll show you that here in a second. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the turkey around so you can see better. I'm going to get inside of the turkey. So you're gonna wanna get underneath the skin of the breast. Be careful not to tear the skin, and just slowly work your hand in there. This is going to open up a pocket to where you can grab that mixture in your hand and then be able to rub it all inside that breast meat. That is the key. That is what's going to keep your breast meat juicy and tender. Don't skip this step. All right, now you're simply going to take the remainder of your seasoning and you're just going to heavily sprinkle it all over again. This is going to give you a nice herb crust on your turkey. Again, leave no part of this turkey uncovered. Sprinkle all over that bad bird. Okay, now just simply transfer the turkey onto a sheet pan like so, and we're gonna get this into the fridge. We're gonna leave it overnight. Just put it right on top of your Coors Light beers, okay? Okay, so with all the neck bone and the backbone, we're gonna put that into that pan as you saw earlier, and we're gonna mix in with some carrots, onions, and celery. And we're gonna sprinkle that fin and feather Traeger seasoning all over it. We're also going to add in some chicken stock and some of that Coors Light beer in the fridge. Get that in there, and that's gonna be put underneath the turkey as it smokes. Cheers. All right, now let's head outside and let's get our Traeger ready. We're gonna set this at 275 degrees. Let's ignite it and let's get ready. Okay, now that our Traeger has reached its temperature, we're gonna go ahead and get that pan. We're gonna place it underneath on the bottom rack, and then we'll place the turkey right on top of it like so. Let's get our thermometer in there in the thickest part of the breast, and we're gonna set our Traeger to reach 165 degrees. So when that breast hits 165 degrees, it is ready. Here we are, ready to go. Oh man, look at how awesome this turkey came out. Man, I can't wait to get this on the board and cut it up. So let's get it inside, let's get it cool, and then we'll start trimming. Okay, so we got it inside. I'm gonna cover it lightly with some aluminum foil just to cover it. And we're gonna probably let this cool down for about 30 minutes before we start cutting. I don't want any of the juices to escape. Plus it's gonna be real hot. So it's easier to handle if you let it cool down. I'll start with this wing. Look at how easily this wing gets cut through with this 8-inch boning knife from Bearded Butchers. Then I'll remove that wing leg, and then we'll move on to the leg quarters. All right, so as you can see, the leg quarters come out real easily as well. We'll remove both of those, get those out of the way, and then we'll go on to the next wing, cut it out, and then we'll get to the breast. That one's a little trickier. I'm still working on my knife skills with the breast, but go ahead and get that center, get to the side of the breastbone, and you just want to work down next to the bone so you get as much of the breast meat as possible. So remove it and then set it to the side, and we'll slice that up. We'll go ahead and take a little piece and we'll go ahead and sample it, see how it came out. Oh man, this is juicy, tender. Oh, that is so delicious. That little crust on the top with that seasoning and mayo, love it.